I started riding around the village, looking for someone who is ready to take photographs. Then he pays, then I take.
The problem we have as photographers in Uganda, we only go and buy cameras. After buying your camera, you don't know the settings. You think whatever, in a different situations you need to adjust the camera, but some of us don't adjust the cameras. And we end up taking not good photos. Taking a photo under the sun, what adjustments am I supposed to make?
What do you want the picture to look like? That's the first question. Anytime you pick up your camera, what do I want that picture to look like?
Okay, now let me give an example. On such a bright sunny day, I want my picture to come out very clear without any kind of shadow.
And shoot flash. So if the sun is above the person or behind the person,
yes.
If you can use a flash, that flash from straight on will knock all the shadows behind it.
You take photos, a photo is nice, you print it and give it to the owner, he pays you money because it looks nice.
Yeah. So here is a lesson. This is David's lesson that we did the other day.
Yeah.
So on your camera, you will have shutter speeds.
Bring my camera faster, I see.
Yeah. So you'll be able to see it on your camera. Each time I move that 3 times, it halves that number. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The number goes up. You're halving the amount of light that goes into that camera. You are doubling the speed that you take that picture. All move your hand. So if I was to open a set of curtains, 1,000 to the second, that's really quick. Light goes in and out. If you want slower, you open the curtains for longer and you're like, so as soon as you move your location or a cloud comes across, everything changes when you're in manual. So what you're doing now, your brain's hurting because you're controlling the camera. When you're in auto, the camera is controlling you. But if this is happening and you haven't got a building in front, tell somebody to step forward just like this. When you look at my eyes, the light comes here. You can't see my eyeballs. It's the most important part of a picture, portrait.
So it's supposed to be
Take me alone.
So we're just showing these boys a bit of manual camera work. Working through apertures, shutter speeds, ISOs, working with the shadows, working with reflectors. Basically confusing them on the streets of Jinja, but having a good time. What we're doing is that natural sun hitting that and then bouncing into these shadows. So now, when you this way, less light. This way, fast. Slow. First question you ever ask yourself when you pick up that camera: what is my outcome?
the footnotes too.
Yeah, so Nike want you to photograph him. So Nike has said, right, we want this picture for an advert. He's going to be doing keep-ups and maybe he'll do... You're going to want it still, you're going to want it sharp. So your outcome is still and sharp. So in those words you think, right, what is my priority? Great. And so all of these create a picture of Ronaldo. Good job, you get paid. On the background, use one of these We did that the background is not brighter than your subject. He just stood here. The light hit him off that wall. Boom, boom. Big reflector.
The wall was a reflector.
Yep. The person's head is going to be like that. So the eyes are on that line. This one goes on your head. Don't change anything. So you come around this way a bit more. So you change your composition so you get them both in. Okay, bring your camera up.
This is Dennis, Jinja, Uganda. I'm a photographer. Initially, it's called as cameraman. Why? Because most times in the country here, we buy the cameras with the interest of doing commercial photography. However, most times we really lack what they call the appropriate hints on how to use these cameras. Most times, at the same time also, we use all these programs and auto, and that's it. So when it comes to other things like the aperture, becomes a problem. Ask yourself, what is an aperture? The speed, the ISO, so it becomes something new to us. And today with Tommy, really, it has been really so great, and we really received a lot. And we believe we are going to do elements of practicality, and we see how we improve in the field of photography. Thank you so much.
Peter Mugerwa, video cameraman, still cameraman. Tommy, we've loved you from today. You've given us those hints on the cameras, and we pray, we ask you to give us more knowledge. Even there are other people who may still want to learn more about the cameras. We invite you all, any person who is willing to help us to know what is the camera. We'll be just taking cameras just anyhow. You're welcome. Thank you.
So welcome to the streets of Jinja town. It's 6:20 in the evening, and we've just finished working with Digital One photography studio. Connected with them a bit last year, and this year we organised to go in for an afternoon and teach them basic photography, because a lot of people actually they buy their cameras and just use them in auto all the time. I think they're calling me. Easy, Sebo, I know where you're going. Yeah, so we're actually going to go in and print some pictures now. But the main idea was to go in and show, teach, give some hints about aperture, shutter speeds, ISOs, and a few other little bits. So hopefully the video that David just shot will come out good, and you'll see a bit of that. But that's exactly what we've just done, and I think they had a pretty good time, and hopefully we'll see them again. But right now we are in a print lab about to get some pictures from the Dream Studio and a few other pictures printed and give them back. Nice. Enjoy your day.